In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the 3D compiler underscore 47 DLL missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. The first thing that we need to do is to check our system type. So go to the Windows search bar and type system info. Click on it under the best match. Take note of your system type and then open a browser. Kindly search for the missing DLL. Simply put download. Hit enter, click on the first option. Scroll down and click the download button corresponding to your system type. Once downloaded, click on the folder icon. And then right click, select extract all, click on extract. And then copy the DLL file, right click, select copy. Then go to this PC on the left pane, double click on the Windows C drive, scroll down to the Windows folder. Locate the System32 folder. So if you are a 64-bit Windows, go to System32. If you are a 32-bit, go to SYS Wow 64. Right-click and then select Paste. Click on Replace the file in the destination. Now once done, close all the windows. Then right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. Next method, open a browser again. Search for Visual C++ with distributable and hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and simply click the link corresponding to your system type and install the Visual C++ on your Windows 11. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.